Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm so excited about this unboxing video and it's all about this wonderful product which is called DJI Mini 4 Pro. Yes, I am overwhelmed when I bought it. It's something, a new toy for me. I want to unbox it on my channel so you can all see it. If you decide to go ahead and buy something like this or similar, the link will be down at the bottom with this product that you see on the video. So I hope that you enjoy, sit back, relax, and let's go ahead. So okay, viewers, so let's start unboxing this wonderful device, or shall I say product. Okay, as you can see, it's a brand new one. Do I need to rip this part? I don't need my knife, so I can just go like that. Yes, I cannot return this now. Well, I wasn't intending to, but anyway. So I've opened it, but I haven't showed you what's around it like I usually do. So here we are. Let's do this first. Yes, it's 34 minutes. It can last in the air in one battery, and you have some more information there. It's with the RC tool. And you have some more products here, and so on and so on. Everything on a few languages there. Nothing pretty much. You can call. Usually, people use Final Cut Pro to edit all their footage and etc. Maybe somebody else uses something different, but that is pretty much on the outside. So let's open it. Okay, so we have this QR code before first use, install the DJI. That's what you get. That's the information. Okay, so this is a little bag. Let's just see what's inside. Let's just move this on the side. And it's all put in this little bag, that shoulder strap bag that you can carry with you. You have some information. I'll just pull this up for you. So if I can show you some of the stuff that's written on there. Nothing much, nothing special, probably about the product of the bag. So this is what it is. DJI, always branded. This is the bag. So okay, we don't want to start messing around. Let's just open this apart. Let's just unzip it if we can. I can show you nicely. And unzip it. If you get anything that's not like this that you purchase, so it's not probably original, maybe, or it's a second hand. Never buy second hand ones. Yeah, I can tell you that. Okay, so here we are. There's a lot of stuff in there. So first, let's just unzip this here. Let's see what's in here. Okay, we have, put that back in there. We have the quick start guide. We're not going to open that. It's just a quick start guide. These are the actual propellers, I believe. And how we're going to open that. It's very sticky. And let's just take this apart. And this is what you get. It's the propellers that you get for them. Yeah. And you get some USB A to C, 2 cables of them for charging. Okay, let's just put that on the side. That's all in this pouch here, but we will put that all back later. Let's see what else we get in here. So let's take this one out. Right. So we have the batteries. We have the batteries. They have well glued this, well packed. There you go. See how it opens nicely. This one opens really nicely. So let's just take this out. So you already get the 2 batteries in here. The third one is most likely in the drone, but this is what it's like. Nice, good plastic. You have information down at the bottom here. Okay. Tells you the voltage, tells you everything. Compatibility is compatible with Mini 3 Pro, Mini 3, and Mini 4 Pro. These batteries. And there you are. These are the batteries that have 249 grams on there, just to let you know. So if you don't have 249 grams on there, that means they are heavier and they will go over 249 grams in weight, which means that you will have to have a drone license. With these ones, you don't. I have a drone license. I have for over 250 grams, so it's fine for me. You can always get these online. You can pass the test and you get the certificate. Okay, so here we're going to open the RC. This is the RC2. Wow, you can see all the lights and everything here. You can see probably me. And here you can see all the buttons. You can see you have videos on YouTube how to operate these. Here are all the it's like a joystick. Yeah, you've got this here. Joysticks that you screw on here. Okay, let's just put that one down. Okay, let's just take out the drone. We'll take this. You can see what the bag is like. It's quite nice. It's probably very good, and it's waterproof. Not waterproof, or shall I say rain proof. Yeah. Let's take out the drone. Yes. Wow. Slowly. And here you are. You can have the drone, and it's wrapped with this little plastic to protect these propellers. Here is this protects the actual. I don't want to take it off. I'm afraid I'll break it or something like that. But there you are. Here, you lift that. Yeah. And you take it apart. There you are. And here you have the actual that protects the camera. You get that as well. So be careful. Whoops. You can touch it and spin it around when it's not plugged in. Yeah. If it's it's not powered on, shall I say? If it's powered on, never move this around. This is so sensitive. You can break it and then voila, go and buy a new drone or repair it somehow. So I'm not sure. So because this is my first drone, and hopefully I have to look after it. Yeah, there you are. That's that. And here you unclip this. It will tell you. Pull this apart. There you are. It's very sticky. There you are. That comes like that. Here you undo the clip. People say that this is no good. I can't see what the problem is. For now, we'll put that on the side. And here it is. Do that. Do this. I think that we move this like this. That's it. We move it downwards. And we pull this out. And we do the same here. We move this down like this. And then pull that out. There you are. How wonderful can that be? Yeah, I got another sticking thing here. Yeah, okay, put that on the side. And we have this. There you are. This is the gimbal. Yeah, gimbal for the camera. You can move that when it's off. Yeah, no problem. But when it's switched on, do not touch it. Yeah, here you have already a battery. Yeah, you just pull that off. Let's just take this out. There it says 249 grams. It's the battery like. So you have 3 batteries that come with it. Put that in there. If it doesn't say 249 grams on here, that means it's more heavier. You have the sensors, you have the landing sensors, you have sensors everywhere at the top here, 360 degrees, it covers everything. This is where you put your memory. Yeah, if you have one, the memory card, and this you can put it in there to charge this battery as well. So that's it. So what you get is all this, all us putting this all together like this, obviously, and you get the RC. So unboxing this, I'm satisfied extremely, and I love it, and I can't wait to start using it. So I hope you enjoy this video. So please, any comments down at the bottom, thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to hit the like button or the bell for the notification for more and new uploads. Thank you for watching.